गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। वनं यस्य वाचिकं सर्ववाङ्मयम् आचन्द्रतारादि तं सात्विकं शिरो। So today we begin with an Ashtapadi. Here the Ashtapadis, as you know, are 8 verses and these are compositions of Jayadeva. I am going to take the Ashtapadi in which the Sakhi comes and reports to Krishna about the Nayika, Radha, who is pining for him. And so she is represented as Virhotkantita. Want to take down something now? So you can start learning the item and take down later also. You want to take down the first. I am only going to give you the Dhruva today. The Dhruva Pada, that is in the Ashtapadis, there is one line which is referred to as Dhruva. And then this Dhruva keeps getting repeated like a refrain, a Pallavi line in like other Padams. Okay. So here the Dhruva line is Sa Virahe Tava Dina Madhava. She is addressing, it's only Sa Virahe Tava Dina. That's all is the line. So here itself, the word Viraha establishes her as the Virhotkantita Nayika. You remember the Nayika Bheda we had done? Yeah. So in that, the one who is pining for the Nayika in separation. Okay? In Shringara we have the Sanyoga Shringara and Viyoga Shringara. This is this Shringara Nayika feeling the pangs of separation from her Nayaka. That is what is being portrayed here, and that is being conveyed to the Nayaka, that is to Krishna, by the Sakhi of Radha. So she says Sa, she. Sa is she. Virahe, she is the one who is now identified as Virahe. She is pining, she is full of yearning for you, Virahe. Tava Dina. Tava is in you, Dina, because she is like really, Dina literally means poor. But here Dina means the one who is completely, that is without you she feels she is nothing. She is so impoverished she feels. So this is the meaning of Dina here. So this is the line we are going to start with. Only I have taken the liberty of taking the previous line Madhava Manasija Vishika Bhayadiva. That Madhava, Sakhi comes searching for Madhava. So we are going to start with Madhava, Sakhi calling out to Madhava in various directions, and then she espies Madhava, Krishna. So we will start with that. Then every time we do the new lesson, you can put your books here. Now you come running from there, calling for Madhava. Okay? So you come like that. Okay? Come. Madhava, Madhava. Then Madhava to the center. Come. Madhava. Okay? Now she is searching for him. So she is despondent. She is not able to find him at that moment when she is searching. Okay? At that time you will do you will go stretching your leg in Suchi and taking it behind, crossing. She is searching for him like this. Don't lower your eye, don't look at your hand. Here Yato Hasta does not imply your emotion becomes important. So you are looking for him, only looking, only searching. In the course of looking, you will do this movement of your leg is only showing how weary she is searching for him. Then she suddenly hears the flute music I can hear. So she goes running, sees where is he? She's looking for him, and there she sees him, and he is moving along. Then she says, Madhava, Madhava. Here the Sakhi should not show love for him, but only joy of seeing him. Understand? She is not the heroine. She should not forget that she is the heroine. So you have to establish that. So after seeing him, Madhava, just addressing him. Okay, now let me see. You come. Madhava, 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 and she is weary. Flute, I hear. Where is Krishna now? No. Move around, searching for him. It's coming. You will hear like this. She's still searching. If you are so close, then this won't get relevance at all here. So go around searching for him. She's moving the bushes. She's seeing there. She's seeing. So as though she's walking around the garden. Okay? You may show it like that. Start from here. Madhava was okay. Then after that, no, say, tell the audience. Suppose it's not being played. What did you hear? The sound of flute. Yes. Then you're searching, go around go around like that. Move. Yes. Again, complete. Then you move that, and there you see Krishna. Okay? Just smiling. Don't look with the corner of your eye. Look at him straight. Yes. Okay? The corner of the eye can create another impression. So you espy him and take the movement. Try to see him on this side of you, because it's easier for you. You enter from here. So it's easier for you to say Sa Virahi there. Understand? So you should try, and if I have entered from here, I would see Krishna here and show like this and say Sa. So this establishes from where you came. So try to show Krishna on the opposite side of your entry. So espy him here. I want you to do that like that. You will do, after you do this, then start walking like this. Full circle and come back here to see him. Okay? Then you point to the direction of your entry. Normally keep that as the entry, because your orchestration is always here. They will be aware of your entry. As a rule, you enter there means that is your area. Then you would be able to identify. Sa, you will be able to see. Okay? Now we will start once more. Madhava, 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 okay, you got this? Now you are proper, repeat it so that it gets established, but I would still want to do a full circle. You did the half and came here. Understand, the flute is so important. Let the flute linger for some time. Okay? Madhava, 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 Madhava. Now kind of established that you are searching for it. Okay. Now we will show Sa Virahe Tava Dina Madhava. Addressing him. So first exact word for word meaning, padartha. She, viraha, virahe, tava dina, madhava. Okay? Only address like that, not chatura. Do, okay? Once more. Sa, just show that. Sa, don't look also. You're looking at himself. Sa, virahe, tavadina, madhava. Sa, same action but moving a little. Sa, virahe, tavadina, madhava. Okay, second action. Sure. Sa, virahe, tavadina, madhava. Again. Sa, virahe, tava dina, madhava. Sa virahe, my, okay. Sa virahe tava dina. Sa virahe tava dina Madhava. Sa virahe tava dina Madhava. Sa virahe tava dina Madhava. Okay, now I taught you one Nritta Hasta. Okay, so do the hip movement. Sa virahe tava dina Madhava. Okay, now from Padartha we are moving on to how she is feeling, almost conveying in a Vakyartha mode. Okay, now start. Sa virahe tava dina Madhava. Do that again.
It should be like this, or this is in front.
Yeah, that is in front, but her head is fallen. Her head is drooping.
Looking at Krishna.
No, she is not looking at Krishna. No, the Sakhi. No, the Sakhi is actually enacting how Radha is feeling. So it's she is whining like this, Madhava. So at Madhava you become straight and say Madhava. Okay? Sa virahe tava dina Madhava. Now do these many again. You have to remember from the calling. The calling I have seen. Now let's take Saviraha. After she says Madhava. Now the rhythm starts. Sa virahe tava dina Madhava. Sa. You don't even have to go back too much, okay? Just take 2 steps. Sa virahe tava dina Madhava. Okay? From the first one you do. Sa virahe tava dina Madhava. Sa virahe tava dina Madhava. Sa virahe tava dina Madhava. The first one you did Madhava. Okay? Sa, you go back. Sa virahe tava dina Madhava. Second. Okay? Then sa virahe tava dina Madhava. Three are almost. The first one is Madhava, even when we have the rhythm. Sa virahe tava dina Madhava. Sa virahe tava dina Madhava. Madhava. Next one. Sa virahe tava dina Madhava. From the virahe tavadina, till that you should sustain, okay? Sa virahe tavadina madhava, sa virahe tavadina madhava. Little faster, okay? Sa vira, there also she is agitated in her movement. So do the sa virahe tavadina madhava. Sa virahe. Okay? In this, the entire torso shows her viraha. So the movement of the leg is only one more movement like this, that's all. Okay? So it does sa virahe tavadina madhava. Okay? Take this. Sa virahe tavadina madhava. Okay?
This one is, it comes round like that, or it's just in the same?
In the same place. Sa virahe, here only. Virahe, actually it is the torso, she is not able to bear the pangs of separation. Okay? Sa virahe tavadina madhava. Go running. Sa, you come, you should be here a little, okay? Now just go, sa, turn to him. Sa virahe tavadina. Okay? This much you do, okay? From the beginning. From the beginning, so that it gets set in your mind that she is calling out to Krishna and she is reacting. Then we can go further for the more actions. Okay. Let me see how you are going to do. Madhava, Madhava, Madhava. Madhava, sa virahe tavadina 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 Madhava, sa virahe there itself. Sa virahe tavadina repeat this so that you know at least this much you should have it in your mind. Okay?
This one comes in Virahe itself. So it's faster.
Yeah, this should be fast. Sa virahe tavadina. In Madhava, you can leave Madhavam, you can do that. It's not as a word for word you have to come. You can sustain that action. In fact, Madhava will be even better. Okay? Madhava, 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 sa virahe tavadina 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 Madhava, sa virahe tavadina. Okay? Got an idea of here. This is the Dhruva line. After she addresses Tavadina, we go back to Savirahe. Okay? Sa. Now I'm just singing, you just do the actions, okay? Sa virahe, sa virahe, sa virahe, virahe, sa திரும்பி that sa virahe tavadina will get repeated there. Okay? After we do sa virahe tavadina, sa virahe tavadina, sa virahe tavadina, sa virahe tavadina, sa virahe tavadina Madhava. Okay? think we'll just set it again. You do it once. You understood all the concepts. First, she's calling out 3 times to Madhava. Then she's given up hope. So here also, the Sakhi is also in a state of hopelessness. Then suddenly the strains of flute come. So from soft it will become louder, and as she is approaching it becomes louder, goes to the higher note, and then she espies Krishna.
Should I use any other action for searching? Or
Actually, searching only this is enough.
okay.
You go round like this, then stop. See, first when you hear the flute, just start running like this. Stop here at the side and search. Then go around like that. Stop here at the side and search. Then you walking like this, wondering where he could be, and just turn. That's enough. Here you don't have to push anything. There you do once, there you do once, and here you espy him. Okay? So suppose the flute comes, just take the flute music. No, that you leave. She's like this, okay? No, don't do that. Start running. Madhava. Okay, so when you hear the flute, the moment you hear it, you are so very forlorn, you stand. Don't move. The sudden music, you should not get agitated and move yet. Very good. It's leading you somewhere. So go. Then as the music, Madhava. Just a very nice namaskaram to him. But you're searching that first part when you hear the music. What do I hear? It's not. Now she's in the garden. It could be the sound of just some bird. So stop to listen. It sounds like the flute. Yes, it is. Then Krishna is somewhere here. That hope should come in your face before you move. Otherwise, we are losing your expression. Okay? So she is hopelessly sitting like this. In the front, your eyes must go like Madhava. Please listen to it. So first is this. Sa Virahe Tavadina Madhava. First reporting to him. Sa, she. Sa Virahe Tavadina Madhava. So you build up slowly. First, you are also, the Sakhi is also in a state of agitation. Oh God, she's like, you must give the feeling that she's seen Radha and she wants to search. So she's calling out, Madhava, Madhava, where are you? She searched everywhere. She's so tired finally. You'll show that 4 times and then you'll come and collapse. What do I hear? Listen to it. Is that? Yes. It is the refrain of the flute. Then start moving. First move some bushes there. Then again move like this. It is allowed to. You are having 2 hasta like this. Move round like that. Move the bush at the side. So you kind of fix something, but your expression doesn't fix it. On one side, you go around on the other side, and in the front it is still trying to search in a distance. So your eyes and head are wandering. Then she is approaching. So here he is sitting and playing the flute, and then approach and do the namaskar. Okay? Once more we'll take this and then make note of your actions. Keep all of them as twice. Then only it will get established. Okay, I taught you once. Okay. Madhava, 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 विरहे तव दीना माधवा सा विरहे तव दीना माधव सा विरहे तव दीना. If you could repeat every action, do twice.
Okay.
So I'll sustain the same sangat. Yes.
Except the first one.
Except the first one, because it is stretched out. It is addressing Madhava. Now when you say Sa Virahe Tavadina, Madhava you did, isn't it?
No, I missed out.
Madhava. That will come twice.
Okay.
Then you will show Sa Virahe Tavadina Madhava. Then again Sa Virahe Tavadina. Okay. Now keep it twice.
The
Okay.
first one. From the first one.
From the first where we start the rhythm.
Yeah.
Sa Virahe Tavadina Madhava 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 sa virahe tavadina ma. When you do this, try not to go behind at an angle like that. Yes, that would establish that. Then you can, like kind of lean on this side. When you do this one, sa virahe tavadina ma dava sa virahe tavadina 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 sa virahe tavadina. Okay, there you must take fast because the talam will go. Sa virahe comes in. Okay, you remember we were doing the Ashtapati, which begins as Nindati Chandana, but the Dhruva line is Sa Virahe. So we just established that the Sakhi is reporting to Krishna that Radha is in Viraha for him, pining for him. Okay? The lines before this, what do you want? You want to write? Why are you eyeing your book? Yes, come and write it now. Now write. This is actually the two lines which precede the Dhruva, but we have taken it as the almost like an Anupallavi, which follows this. So Madhava, see, she's already reporting to Madhava. So we continue that concept. Madhava Manasija. Manasija means the one who is born of mind. Okay, that is Cupid. Manasija. Madhava is Krishna. Manasija is Cupid, that is Manmada. Vishikha Bhayadhipa. Okay, Vishikha is the arrow that is coming from him. Bhayadhipa. Bhavanaya Tvayi Leena. She Bhavanaya Tvayi Leena. She who is completely, Leena means immersed. She cannot think of anything. Leena is completely one with. She is lost in your thought. Tvayi Leena, in you. She is lost in you. This girl is scared of the Manmada's arrow. So it looks like she is hiding behind you, in the sense behind your thoughts. She is so lost in you that she has a fear of this, of being pierced by Manmada's arrow. So she seems to be hiding behind. Okay? There are many interpretations given. Some scholars say that she is hiding behind you to be protected from Manmada's arrow. But actually, she is feeling Bhavanaya Tvayi Leena. She is getting fear. Yes, she is. Fear means this is actually, she is suffering. The pangs, the arrow shot by Manmada. So the Sakhi is actually saying she is completely lost in your thought and she is being tormented by Manmada with his arrows. That is what it means. So Madhava Manasija Vishika Bhayadipa Bhavanaya Tvayi Leena. So because of that, many people say that she is trying to hide behind your thought so that she won't feel the pangs of this tormentation by Manmada's arrow. Okay? Now come. First just sit and learn the bhava, and then I will give you the movement. Sit down. Here you finish reporting, okay? Now she says, Madhava Manasija Vishika Bhayadipa Bhavanaya Tvai Leena. Okay? In thought, she is completely immersed in you. Word for word you will see. Then, okay, try that. Madhava Manasija Vishika. Manasija Vishika Bhayadipa. Now I am going to use some of the Janga Bheda which at some point of time I had taught you for using in some other composition. So here you will see how the change of the body in a Natam position can show the Vishika in one position and the fear in another position. Okay. So Vishika, that is Manasija Vishika Bhayadipa Bhavanaya Tvai Leena, twice, same action you will do. Then Bhavanaya Tvai Leena, okay. Then second time when you do, you will show Vishika Bhayadipa. She's hiding behind Bhavanaya Tvai Leena. She's that fear she's trying to cover by hiding behind your thoughts. Behind you is, she's all the time. In some Ashtapadi, he says all the time she is there. In this itself, he says Puraha. She is all the time imagining you are in front of her. Right in front of her, and she keeps dreaming. So she thinks he is there and she tries to hide behind this tormentation by hiding behind you like this. Okay? So you will do this in a half-seated position and look like that and say this. So constantly you are going to do Radha's expression and the Sakhi report. So it is a very, very small line, very tender line that divides the two. But the way you do will constantly show the people that you actually report. Okay. So here, Madhava Manasija Vishika Bhayadipa. Now this is her Bhayadipa. Okay. So you are going to report. First, Madhava Manasija Vishika Bhayadipa. Okay. So the Bhaya and Ipa, that is how she is reacting to it. Sure. Madhava Manasija. Manasija is not Manasija. This. Madhava Manasija Vishika. Vishika has shot this side, no? Then how will she isn't it? He shot here, so that is where she has to turn away from. Do it again. Madhava Manasija Vishika Bhayadipa. Take it over there. Bhayadipa, she has to shield herself. Okay. Bhayadipa. Just that one turn is enough. In pa you show. Bhayadipa. Okay. Then Madhava Manasija Vishika Bhayadipa. Madhava Man. In this you must show only Mushti. Now only the final one you must show this. This is what? What are you showing? The bow is made up of what? Sugar cane. So sugar cane has got, each is like a ghatta. So you have to show like this and not the shikara. The shikara will show the final. So you will show like this and you can show this. There is time to show the sanchari. And then she's trying to hide behind. Can you imagine? It should be reporting constantly. Okay? माधव मनसि च विशिख भयादीप. No, where is the arrow? Arrow you shot, but she didn't feel it, no? Ha! Arrow Manmada shot. This is to reach her heart. And so she is hiding. She's thinking she's hiding behind you when you are sitting here. Okay? You will get up and dance. Okay? Now, in that case, please learn the movements properly, because as I told you, I am going to use two positions of Janganatha. First one, Madhava. You finished finally addressing. Okay? Madh. You have to go back doing tai, 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 tai. Madhava manasi cha. No, this is just a refrain in between. Okay? So no need of showing any particular expression. Just go back so that we use this as a retreat. Madhava manasi ja. Vishika, turn on both sides, dear. Come here. Turn like this and like this, doing your sarika adava. Come. Madhava manasi ja. Vishika bhayadeepa. Madhava. There itself you can do. Madhava manasi cha. Okay? No, there itself. I don't want this. Manasi cha vishika. No. Keep that movement. I told you I'll use the same. Now bhayadeepa, turn this side. Turn both your feet this side. Yes. Raise your hand a little. So it will come after you go back. You will do this. Sarika, you do 4 and go back. Madhava manasi ja vishika bhayadeepa. Okay? So from here, get up and turn. She is lost in that. You are using the Janga Bheda of Natam on both sides. Vishika is often shown like this. Bhayadeepa. Turn. From here, Bhayadeepa. Yes, the body should react like that. Do. You are still like this. You finish 4. Madhava manasi ja vishika bhayadeepa. Deepa. Last you have to show. Bhayadeepa Madhava. So, Pa and Madhava will be Sakhi talking. Okay. Just at that last you come, it's enough. Bhayadeepa Madhava. Second one. First one you do and then take this. Start. Yeah. Madhava manasi ja vishika bhayadeepa. Madhava manasi ja vishika bhayadeepa. Madhava. There's still time. Sustain that. Madhava manasi ja vishika bhayadeepa. Madhava manasi ja vishika bhayadeepa. There, see her condition. Okay? Yeah. Madhava manasi ja vishika bhayadeepa. Madhava manasi ja vishika bhayadeepa. Madhava. Okay? Now the next section I'll teach you. Now do these two together. After doing Madhava manasi. No, see, I want you to go like this. Madhava you are actually doing a semicircular movement. Okay? Swaying the entire front. 1, 2. Madhava manasi ja vishika bhayadeepa. 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 In this, after you show this vishika bhaya, cross your leg a little and sit. Bhayadipa. Okay. Okay. Then going back. Bhavanaya. Now only you are seeing, this is what she is thinking. Okay. Go back. Bhavanaya. Tvai. Okay. Bhavanaya Tvai. Leena. Only the body, yes. From Sama, you come till Mandala like this. She is completely, like, she is almost imprisoned in your thought. She is completely lost in your thought. So, Bhavanaya Tvai Leena. Bhavana, second one. Bhavanaya Tvai. Stretch your leg out as Suchi. Take it like this. Leena. Okay? Take out. And open. That is, you take it like this. Take Suchi across and then open it out completely. Yes. While you finish. So, Leena. Okay? Leena. Now let's take. I'll take from. No, I want to take from Madhava Manasija. I don't want to lose the link. Take from there. Okay? Madhava Manasija. Vishika Bhayadipa. Madhava Manasija. Vishika Bhayadipa. Madhava Manasija. Vishika Bhayadipa. Madhava Manasija. So, sustain. You can take a little more time because that you can show. Okay, again. Madhava Manasija. Vishika Bhayadipa. Madhava Manasija. Vishika Bhayadipa. Bhavanaya Tvai Leena. Bhavanaya Tvai Leena. Sa virahe tava dina madhava. Sa virahe tava dina madhava. Sa virahe tava dina. Are you getting the thing? The Madhava Manasija, addressing her. Manasija Vishika Bhayadipa. Okay? So, two we have here. You have to repeat them. You know? It's an action that you have understood. You have taken time to understand. So, the audience is also to understand. Okay? Repeat the action, both the actions twice. Okay? Then Bhavanaya Tvai Leena. That is almost similar, only we are doing a little different leg movement. That's all. Understand? So you will try again.
Yeah.
Oh, you want to do from Madhava Manasija.
Yeah.
Okay. Madhava. Okay. You want to start from there? Madhava. No. Madhava. It comes after the beat. The song line starts with Madhava Manasija. Madhava Manasija Vishika Bhayadipa. Madhava. Okay. 1, 2. Madhava Manasija Vishika Bhayadipa. Madhava Manasija Vishika Bhayadipa. Madhava Manasija विशिखभयादीप माधव मनसि च विशिखभयादीप. Yes. The first one also, no? You did not repeat the first one? Yeah? Just do now Madhava Manasija, no need of going back. Do the first action twice, second action twice. Just remember to do that. Madhava, you address him and say Manasija. Start. Madhava Manasija Vishikha Bhayadeepa. Madhava Manasija Vishikha Bhayadeepa. Madhava Manasi ja 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 Vishikha Bhayadeepa. Bhavanaya tvayi leena. Bhavanaya tvayi leena. Sa virahe tava deena. Madhava sa virahe. Here you do tava deena madhava sa virahe tava deena. Got it till here? Want to try once from the beginning till here? From Madhava, our last lesson. Madhava, 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 sa virahe tava deena. Madhava, sa virahe tava deena. Madhava 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 sa virahe tava deena. Sa virahe, sa virahe, sa virahe, sa virahe tava deena. माधव मनसि च विशिख भयादीप 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 मनसि च विशिख भयादीप माधव मनसि च विशिख भयादीप भावनया त्वयि लीना भावनया त्वयि लीना सा विरहे तव दीना माधव सा विरहे तव दीना माधव सा विरहे तव दीना. You can come running to him. Tavadina. You go running and then stop short. Sa virahe. Virahe should come very fast. You are delaying that. That sa is not so important as long as you want to address. Sa virahe tavadina. Okay. You are almost going to Dina. Okay. Follow till here. So now we'll conclude the class here. You got the connection properly? Very good.